What you're looking on the screen is called dashboard, and on the dashboard you have a temperature gauge. Have you ever wondered why your dashboard has a temperature gauge, or what the perfect engine temperature should be for your car? Most drivers don't think about that, and when they think of it, it's become too late. Hey, hi everyone, I'm Mr. Engine, and today I'm going to pieces this topic. What is optimal engine temperature and why it matters? Before I go deep down, what is the hottest your engine has ever gotten? Red zone, boiling over? Let me hear those crazy stories in the comment section. When your engine is running, it becomes hot. I am talking about hundreds of degrees. But it is not just about running hot, it is about running at the right temperature. Now pay attention. Most modern engines are designed to run at 90 degrees Celsius to 105 degrees Celsius. That is the sweet spot. That means it is not too hot, it is not too cold. Sadly, you should know this. If your engine temperature becomes too cold, your fuel won't boil efficiently, and it is become too hot, you risk warping your engine or blowing your head gasket, or something worse could happen. So why is it matter? Now you have known the optimum engine temperature. So why is it matter? I'll mention 5 reasons why it matters, why you need to keep that optimal engine temperature. 1, because of fuel efficiency. Cold engine use more fuel. Optimal temperature is equal to better MPG. And 2, engine wear. Cold oil doesn't flow well, and if your engine is too cold, it doesn't get proper lubrication, which will cause damage or engine wear. And 3 is emission. Engine running too cold or too hot pollute more. 4, performance. Sensors like ECU depend on proper temperature in order to adjust tuning and fuel mix. And lastly, which is number 5, is damage control. Overheating can warp metal, crack airs, and destroy seal. That is very, very expensive. Now look at this very quick question. Have you ever driven with a failed thermostat? Have you ever drive your car with a failed thermostat? Drop a yes or no answer in the comment section. I bet you many of you have done that. What can affect your engine temperature? I'm going to mention 5 key players that can affect your engine temperature. The number 1 is coolant. Is it to top up? Is it clean? 2 is thermostat. Is it opening at the right time? 3, radiator and fan. Are they working properly? 4 is oil. Do you know, and don't forget, that your oil helps the engine to cool down? And 5 is external temperature. Hot weather plus AC equal to overload. And when you have overload, it's going to affect the temperature of your engine. Do you want to monitor your temperature better? Then you can go for OBD2 scanner or get an aftermarket temperature gauge. It will help you to know the temperature of your engine. Now, what are the signs of bad temperature? Let me mention 5 red flags that will help you to know if your engine isn't running at the optimal temperature. Number 1 is if the needle stay below normal for too long. This is the needle. If it stays below normal for too long. And 2, if the temperature spike in traffic. And 3, the boiling coolant or overflow. And 4, when you hear sweet smell from your engine bay. And number 5 is engine feel sluggish or misfire. If any of these sound familiar to you, it is time for you to check your coolant, your thermostat, and your radiator. You flush your radiator, you replace your thermostat, and you ensure that you have level coolant in your radiator. Type temperature check in your comment if you plan to check your coolant level this week. Will you like this video about a thermostat?